Welcome to QueeTeeFaces.
Here we are back at it again with another tutorial. So first I'm starting out with this pink shade in the Zulu palette. Y'all know I love Juvia's place. And then I'm going in with this black shade in my Morphe palette. I will list exactly what palette it is. And this is going to be a smoky eye. Now, keep in mind when you are doing a smoky eye, you want to build the product up. You don't want to just put too much black there. You want to tap it in so that you're able to blend it out with whatever your transition color is. And my transition choice was the pink shade. So I'm just tapping motions with the black and then I'm going to blend it back out. And then I'm going to use my NYX White Gel Liner. And I'm just going to go ahead and begin to do my wing. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my dual lash glue. And I'm just carving out my circle. I didn't see the need to use concealer because it is a black background. So for me, I'm just going to place the glitter right on top of the eyeshadow. And I'm just carving out my shape. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I didn't even peep that I was covering the camera when I was placing the glitter. But all I was doing was picking the glitter up off of my tray. And then just using tapping motions to place it exactly where I wanted it to go. Now, this glitter is from Cake Your Face Official. She's currently not open right now, but this glitter is so bomb. Like, I love this glitter for real. I don't know how many of y'all watching, like, actually know Jazz in real life, but this is her energy, like, 24/7. And now I'm going in with the Nars foundation. I'm not sure the exact shade, but I'm going to go ahead and put it below as well. And I love using my Real Techniques brush. Like, this just gives me the best coverage. And I'm just using it in a tapping motion, just spreading the product around. Now, under my highlighter area, I always like to use a concealer that's close to the shade of the color, just so that the highlight isn't too bright. So sometimes I either put it around or I put it down first, just depending. Like, going back and looking at these clips, like, Jasmine is a whole joke. If you don't follow her already, follow the Christian Bae on Instagram. And the powder that I'm setting her highlight with is the Sacha Buttercup powder. That's pretty much the only yellow powder I like to use, especially on women of color. I feel like it's the perfect color. And now I'm just putting some powder right under her contour so that it's slightly sharp. And then I'm just setting the rest of her face. And I'm setting her neck as well because I put concealer and foundation there. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put some blush on her face. Look at those dimples. And now we're just... Why does she look like that? Okay. But we're just going to go ahead and highlight with Matte Gold Deposit. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a NYX lip pencil, and this is a brown shade. I believe it's an espresso. And if you're looking for a great clear lip gloss, you should shop at Chellzjewelzzz. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And now I'm just going in with a mascara disposable wand. And I'm just hitting her under eye to bring her bottom lashes out. And then I'm just using whatever's left on my brush to go ahead and clean up her false eyelashes to make sure no eyeshadow or glitter might still be on it. And that's what we call a beat. Like, that's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know.